you are a student who wants to finish their class 10 syllabus before August, then this video is made for you. So hey guys, I am P. Magashri, a former class 10 student. I got 97.6% in my class 10 board exams in the first attempt, and today I am here to share you a simple and realistic study planner which can help you be consistent in your studying for the month of May. So this is the study planner for the month of May, and I have divided everything into weekly goals so that it's easy to stay consistent. This month focuses on important chapters like quadratic equations, control and coordination, along with regular practice in maths. If you have not seen my video for the May month study planner, then this part of this video is for you. As you can see, each week has clear targets for maths, science and SST, and I have included books which I recommended like R.D. Sharma and Usol's question banks, particularly so that it's clean and to the mark. And it still needs only 2.5 hours per day so that it's manageable along with regular schoolwork. I have added checkboxes and habit trackers again so that it makes studying more realistic and satisfying. So now I have the planner here and I'll just read out it so that you don't have any confusions left. So the first week includes number 1, maths goal, that is power of linear equations, which starts and do R.D. Sharma. For the second goal, I have included life process from science, complete the chapter along with science NCERT exemplar. And for SST, I have included economics development chapter, and for Hindi and English, do one chapter each. Just start them or do like 75%. And in the second week, do power of linear equations word problems along with completing the chapter, and do not forget to analyze the word problem questions types, because the power of linear equations chapter includes many types of word problems, and if you analyze it now, then it will be easier to revise the chapter when the exams are near. It's a very effective way, do not ignore. In the third week, do quadratic equations, just start the chapter and do R.D. Sharma. In science, complete the control and coordination chapter, and in SST, start geography agriculture chapter, and for languages 1 to 2 chapter each. In the fourth week, complete the quadratic equations chapter along with HOTS questions, that is higher order thinking level questions, and do not ignore them or else they will ignore you during the boards exam. For this week in science, do full revision along with exemplar practice, and for SST, civics, do federalism, and in languages, revise everything I have done till now. And if you have noticed this, in the first week I have given SST economics development chapter, second week history nationalism in India, and in third week I have given geography agriculture chapter, and in the fourth week I have given civics federalism. Do not forget to practice questions in SST too. You have to practice it in order to know the skill of answer writing. If you don't know the answer for the question but you know how to write the answer, that is, you know the skill of answer writing, I bet you will get half the marks of the question. So do not ignore that. And here are a few things which you have to do daily, at least try to do them daily. That is maths practice, that's some problems, SST revision, and in languages do the writing practice or just read through the books, and in science do practice every single question which is competency based as much as you can get. For your own sake, I have included 3 PDFs which have chapter wise questions of mathematics and science. The third one is the solution PDF. Check them out and use them properly, efficiently, as much as possible. I have used them in my class 10 board exams. They are really efficient. If you ask me if it's a good idea to do sample paper questions right now in the mid of May, then it is a good thing if you have covered the chapters. The biggest myth that everyone told me in my class 10 is that I have to do sample papers when the year ends. That is not true. You can do that when you're complete the chapter, right? So I could have done better if I have started the practice earlier, but I was doing in the end of December, maybe the start of December. But if I had enough time, I could have boosted my scores. So just try to do them now. So that was the video for the May month study planner. I'll make the video as soon as possible for the June month. And also, thank you for the love you have shown for the April month study planner. I hope you also did follow it consistently and do the same for the June month study planner, which is yet to come. So that's all for the video. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.